Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to be walking through how to get a temporary email address. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, you have to open your browser and search here 10-minute email, and from here open this any of these websites. So I'm going to opening this first website, 10minutemail.com. So here you will get a virtual temporary email address to verify your any type of website creation. For example, if you're thinking to create a dummy Facebook account and you want to use a temporary dummy email, then you can use this email to create your Facebook account, and after creating the account you will get the verification code to this email. So for example, I'm going to show you how you can get verification code. So I'm going to my Gmail and I'm copying this email from here and I'm pasting the email here, and I'm sending a dummy email to this email. And now if I scroll down, and here you can see I got a email. So this was how we can get a temporary email account. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.